Hi, this is Holly of Holly's Soapmaking. I recently made a couple of pink soaps using indigo powder infused oil. I received a great question asking if I could possibly reuse the leftover indigo powder to create another oil infusion. This is just a short video to cover the color differences you might see, but if you'd like more details on creating an infusion or how I made both a pink and blue soap from indigo powder, I'll post links below to my recent videos that have all the details and information along with the recipes. I added about 20 fluid ounces of olive oil to the mason jar and then stirred until all of the indigo powder was unstuck from the bottom and fully incorporated into the oil. I infused the oil as I normally do over a very low heat for about 2 hours and then allowed the jar to cool down completely. I left the infusion on the counter for about 2 days to allow the indigo powder to settle back on the bottom of the jar. When I measured out the oil for the recipe, I noticed the color was more purple than magenta pink as it was before, although the difference was very subtle and it's really hard to see here looking at them side by side. I'll show more comparisons as I go so you can see the difference in colors. Here you can see that the soap made from the first infusion is definitely more pink in color. Since gel phase affects these colors so much by making them darker and more vibrant, I was really hoping it might help bring out the pink in this soap. As you can see, gel phase definitely helped, but the soap was very light pink when compared to the soap made with the first infusion. I hope you found this short video helpful, and if you'd like the recipe or more details on creating pink soaps from indigo powder, be sure to check out the links below this video.